Welcome to the channel Hindus Reaction to Christianity. I am Kavitha.
I am Kevin.
Today we going to see about trumpet sound at the top of Jerusalem.
Whether it really happened.
Yes. And it heard in 16 places around it. Note. This is not second coming of Jesus. This is the sign for war going to come by God. We can go into video. Oh. Wow.
בואנה, זה מטורף. מאיפה זה מגיע? תקשיב. צלם מלמטה. איפה זה? תביא את הטלפון.
וואו. וואו, מה זה?
Actually, it is the sign from God war going to come. You know one thing in Bible there is the signs before Jesus come.
Then Jesus will come again.
Yes. It is in Bible.
Wow. I will be happy because he is coming again because I love him. On next video we will see the signs of Jesus coming.